Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you inside a modern mango processing factory to discover how fresh mangoes are transformed into delicious juice, pulp, puree, and other mango products that people enjoy around the world. Mango is often called the king of fruits because of its sweet taste, rich aroma, and nutritional value. Every year, millions of tons of mangoes are harvested and processed in factories. Script! Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking you inside a modern mango processing factory to discover how fresh mangoes are transformed into delicious juice, pulp, puree, and other mango products that people enjoy around the world. Mango is often called the king of fruits because of its sweet taste, rich aroma, and nutritional value. Every year, millions of tons of mangoes are harvested and processed in factories to meet the growing demand for mango-based products. In this video, we will explore every stage of the mango processing journey, from harvesting the fruit in orchards to packaging the final products ready for consumers. Let's begin. Harvesting the mangoes. The journey starts in mango orchards. Farmers carefully monitor the trees throughout the growing season. When the fruits reach the proper size, colour, and ripeness, they are ready for harvesting. Workers handpick the mangoes to avoid damage. Special harvesting tools are often used to prevent bruising. The harvested fruits are placed in crates and transported to processing facilities. Freshness is extremely important because high-quality fruit produces better quality products. Transportation to the factory. Once harvested, mangoes are loaded onto trucks and transported to processing plants. The fruits are carefully arranged to reduce damage during transportation. Many factories receive several tons of mangoes every day during peak harvesting seasons. When the trucks arrive, factory workers inspect the shipment before unloading. Receiving an inspection. At the factory, mangoes go through a quality inspection process. Workers check size, colour, ripeness, freshness, physical damage, signs of disease. Poor quality fruits are removed. Only suitable mangoes continue through the processing line. Quality control at this stage ensures the final products maintain high standards. Washing process. Before processing, the mangoes must be thoroughly cleaned. The fruits move along conveyor belts into large washing tanks. Water sprays remove dirt, dust, leaves, pesticide residues, surface contaminants. Some factories use food-grade disinfectants to improve hygiene. Rotating brushes gently scrub the fruit surfaces, while water continuously rinses them. After washing, the mangoes move to the next stage. Sorting and grading. Modern factories use advanced sorting systems. Workers or automated machines separate mangoes based on pound size, weight, ripeness, quality. Different grades may be used for different products. Premium mangoes may be sold fresh, while others are processed into juice, puree, pulp, or concentrates. Computerized sorting systems can inspect thousands of fruits every hour. Ripening control. Some factories use controlled ripening rooms. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed to ensure consistent ripening. This process helps factories maintain product quality throughout the season. Proper ripening improves flavour, aroma, sweetness, colour. After ripening, the mangoes are ready for processing. Peeling process. The next stage involves removing the skin. Depending on the factory setup, peeling may be done manually or automatically. Automatic peeling machines use sharp blades designed to remove the skin while minimizing fruit loss. The removed peels are collected separately and may later be used for animal feed, compost, or industrial applications. Destoning process. Inside every mango is a large seed known as a stone. Special machines separate the edible flesh from the seed. The mangoes are cut and pressed through extraction equipment. The machines efficiently remove seeds, fibrous material, unwanted particles.